Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com. Tonight we're going to be doing a 4 boxes of 2014 Topps Chrome Mini. This was a 32 team break. We sold through all 32 teams. Let's go ahead and get this up a little bit for you guys to read. Perry S, Jags, Giants, 49ers, Vikings. Tony Westgate's got Browns and Bucks. Raymond's got Cardinals. Michael M has Bills. Lan L has Raiders and Packers. Drury W's got Lions, Dolphins, and Eagles. Robert P has Texans. Waylon M has Steelers. Justin L has Seahawks. Jason F has Panthers. Gerald B has Bengals. Vincent S has Pats. Michael M, Colts and Cowboys. Lan N has Jets, Ravens, Chargers, Rams, and Redskins already as well. Gerald L has Broncos and Saints, and Chris L has Falcons, Titans, and Chiefs. Okay, guys. Yep. All right, guys. Put Y in the box if you guys are ready to go. Y in the box if you guys are ready to go. Okay, Perry, you're good to go. Philip. Lan, you good to go? Lan, you good to go? While we're waiting for this, guys, I'm gonna take my Sharpie like I always do, and we're gonna number this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Also, if we pull any doubles, triples, quads, I'm going to be doing dice this time. I'm going to be doing dice instead of my draw. It's a little bit quicker than that. Everybody's good to go? Type Y one more time. I'm going to give you the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're good to go. Box number 1, guys. Good luck on it. Let's see what we get. Loving this. Push this back a little bit. Beautiful product. Hope you guys enjoy this break as much as we all do here. Okay, empty box as you guys can tell. First pack of this break. Good luck, everyone. Put this down a little bit. All righty. There you go. We've got Tavon Austin. That one was backwards for some reason, but we got Jeremy Hill, Perkins, and David Carr. We have Haley, we've got Flacco, we've got Nichols, we've got Andrew Williams for the Giants. We have Earl Thomas. We have Fantasy Focus Cam Newton for the Panthers, Falls, and Josie. There we go. McCoy, Luck, Bridgewater, CJ. AJ Green, Johnny Manziel, die cut. Johnny Manziel die cut. We've got Martin, Thomas. Tannehill, Eddie Lacy, Lustin, and Lynch. It's good stuff, guys. Good stuff. You can always check us out on the web, shop.eastsidesportscards.com. Edelman, Jace, 85 Retro, Murray, and Gaffney. And remember, all cards ship, guys. Got a lot of people have asked me if they ship, but all cards ship. We got Williams, we got Carey, we got Huff. All right, let's go ahead and get this over in a pile here for us. All righty. Woo! Still haven't seen the autograph, so let's go ahead and see what we got in here. Aaron Rodgers. There we go. Cody Latimer. There we go. That's nice. Non-numbered, but that is a refractor for the Broncos. We've got Sims and Noy. There we go. Gronkowski, Nelson, Denard, and Ely. Wallace. This is nice. We've got Matt Ryan, numbered 034 of 210. We'll put that in a top loader for you, for the Falcon fan. There's that for you. Beautiful piece right there. Sammy Watkins for your Bills, and Lee, Marcus Lee. All right, got some color in here. It's got something numbered to 25 in here. Awesomeness. Donald, Matthews, Foster. There we go. Mike Wallace for the Dolphins, 18 of 25. Look at that, Perry. Pretty sweet, huh? I'm stoked about that. There you go. That's nice. All righty here. Almost halfway down in this box. First box, number 1. Peterson, fancy focus of Calvin Johnson, Jordan Matthews, and Jeremy Hill to finish that one off. All right, guys. We're halfway heading down home stretch here on this box. Let's get something good here. Garcon. Arian Foster. Arian Foster, refractor, non-numbered, as you can tell. Non-numbered right there. Kelvin Benjamin and Cooks to finish that one off. Brown, Charles, Grimble, Lynch. We have Gordon. We have Matthews, Morris, Smallwood. Quinn, Heartland, Goon, Davis. Jackson. Here you go, Perry. .051 of 102. Frank Gore in a Niner uniform. There you go. Very sweet. Robinson and Taliford for the Ravens. Still no autograph left. Let's see what we get here. Peterson, Cruz, Boyd, Janis. We have Griffin, Tony Romo refractor for all you Dallas Cowboy fans out there. Non-numbered. Roby and Bailey. Lonzo, Ball, Evans, Dixon. Barry, Bell, McKinnon, Richardson. Still no autograph. Hopefully it's in the last 2 packs here. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Foils, Thomas, Nix, and Laundry. All right, last pack. It's got to be in here. What will it be, guys? What will it be? It's going to be something good. I have that feeling. All righty. Go ahead and put that over here. Purifoy, Verrett, and Romo. And the autograph's going to be Get it in top loader for you. Bang. Zach Mettenberger, non-numbered Mettenberger autograph. The Titans. All right, box number 1's down. Box number 2's right here in front of us. Let's continue the greatness. Let's continue the greatness here. Okay, as you can tell, empty box. Box pack number 1 from box number 2. Good luck, everyone. Let's get her done. Look, Gilbert refractor. I like that color for the Browns. There we go. We've got Carey. We've got Huff. AJ Green, Lacey, Sims, and Noy. Williams, Rogers, Matthews. Brown, Gordon, Smallwood, Zoom. Alrighty. Quinn, Hopkins refractor for the Texans. Non-numbered. Okay. Davis. Murray. There's a Chief appearance. Alrighty. Clay Matthews, Heartland, Purefoy, Robinson. Izoa, Jackson, Barrett, and McDonald. Lee. Second one of those popped out tonight. Manziel die cut. There you go. Bryant and Mosley. All right, guys. All right. Earl Thomas. Matthew Stafford. Fantasy Focus. Morris. Marshall. Camo border. Josh Huff for the Eagles. Will be top loaded for you. Just let me get that done so I can show you the number on the back. 09 of 99. And it also is the camo version of it. So, pretty nice piece. Carlos Hyde and Evans. All right, guys. Still no auto left. Jeffrey, Andre Williams, Teddy Bridgewater, CJ. Richard Sherman, Graham, Martin. Thomas, Torrey Smith refractor. Non-numbered on that piece right there. And, yep, non-numbered. DeAnthony Thomas and Loston. Still no auto in this box yet. Let's see what we get. See if I can get this baby to focus. Move this down just a little bit. There we go. Cam Newton. Reggie Bush. Come on. There we go. Trent Murphy. There we go. Alrighty. On the downhill slide on box number 2, boys. Let's go ahead and see what we get here. Tannehill. Edelman. Denard. Ely. Austin. Another camo, Jeremy Hill. Nice stuff right there for all you Bengals fans. There's that, and it's numbered 80 of 99. There you go. Sammy Watkins and Marcus Lee. Okay, let's see what we continue to do here. Garcon. Got another. I think we got the autograph. Yep. And I just got to show you guys. There it is. Bang. Non-numbered autograph. Knicks and Laundry. All right, guys. Flauco, Sankey, and Logan Thomas for the Cardinals to wrap that up. We have Hilton, Patterson, Gaffney, Perkins. We have Keenan Allen, Jackson, David Carr, and Kelvin Benjamin. We have Paul. We have Frank Gore. There's a nice piece. Non-numbered, but it is a 1,000-yard club for Frank Gore and the Niners. There you go, Perry. You like that? Non-numbered. Cooks and Nichols to finish that one off. Hopkins, Smith, Williams, Falls. Marshawn Lynch for that. And this one, to finish that pack off, for goodness, Cecil Short for the Jacksonville Jags, 078 of 102. You've got Josie, you've got Grimble. Alrighty. McCoy, Charles, Jordan Lynch, and T. That wraps up box number 2 for you guys. Box number 3. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. Get this done. Alright, there's that. There you are right there, boys. Box number 3 is empty. All right, good luck, everyone. First pack, box number 3. Richard Sherman. LaShawn McCoy. And I got to get some top loaders taken care of here. Come on. All right. Alrighty, here we go. And then we've got, this is kind of a cool piece for the Detroit Lion fan. Fantasy Focus, Matt Stafford. 20 of 50. Look at that. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get that in the top loader for all y'all. And there you go. Huffman, to it. All right. Garcon, Thomas, Mosley, Evans. Falco, Teddy Bridgewater, CJ. Earl Thomas, Cody Huffman, refractor. Non-numbered, but it is a refractor for you. Yeah, it's a nice Stafford, guys. Martin. Yeah, you guys can go to our website, shop.eastsidesportscards.com, to get into the other breaks. We got a couple breaks tonight, feeling very close. So, Charles, D'Anthony Thomas, Loston. Not even halfway through this box yet. Gordon, Quinn, Lynch, Gaffney, Matthews, Heartland, Perkins, Murphy. Sorry, not Murray, Murphy. Torrey Smith, AJ Green refractor. Non-numbered refractor, but it's AJ Green. There you go. Bortles and HaHa Clinton Dix. Marshawn Lynch, McCoy, Cypress, and Trey Mason. All right. There's that. Andrew Luck, AJ Green, AJ McCarron, Grice. Eddie Lacy, Tannehill, Sutton, Williams. Edelman. Oh boy. This is a nice piece for all you Cardinal fans. You're going to love this. Bam. Numbered 50 of 75. Ba-bang. Norwood, Moncrief. Austin. Oh! For the Chicago Bears, we hit a 101 today, baby. Woo! That's why you buy in to boxes of the Box Breaking Madness. Matt Forte, 101 press plate. Bang! You betcha. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's why you buy into our breaks right there. That's what I'm talking about. 1 of 1, baby. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Back-to-back packs, Jack. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, let's go ahead and finish this box down. Bryant, Hyde. Graham, Thomas, Street, Reed. We still got the hot hand today. That's what I'm talking about. Reggie Bush, Hilton, Barr, and Ebron. Woo, yes, 101. Patterson, Allen, Coleman, Matthews. Jackson. All right, Denver Bronco fans. Zero 74 of 102. Cody Latimer. There you go. Buchanan and Colvin. Paul, Hopkins, Latimer, and Grant. Geno Smith. Teddy Bridgewater. Die cut for the Vikings. There you go. Archer and Saunders. Bowman, Reed, Ellington, and Shaw. Oh boy. Feeling it tonight. Feeling it. Rivas, AJ McCarron, 85 Retro, Atkins, and Jimmy. Cremoni, Rogers, Cromartie. There's another camo right there for you folks. For the Denver Broncos. And it's numbered 73 of 99 right there for you. There you are. Amaro. and Hagman. We'll do a hit recap for you guys too as well. Sean, here we go for Waylon. Steelers. You like that color, don't you, sir? There you go, Waylon. Bam. Gilbert and Robinson. Marshall. Jeffrey. Jenkins. Sam. That finishes us off box 3. Box number 4. You ready for this? Because I know I am. This is good stuff. Feeling it. Bam. There you go. Box number 4. First pack, box number 4. Good luck, everyone. Let's get her done tonight. See what's in here. Jackson. Williams. Robinson. Savage. Nelson for the Packers. Refractor. Adams. Thomas, Romo, Shaw, and Atkins. Peterson. We've got Adrian Peterson there. Jimmy and Jay Samaro. Cruz, Griffin, Hagman, Gilbert. Alonzo. There's Detroit Lions. Refractor, non-numbered. Robinson, Jenkins. Monte Ball. Barry. Sam. Huffman. Bell. Tuck. Street. All right, guys, you can always find us on the web, shop.eastsidesportscards.com for all your box and case break needs. Fulls. We have for the Ravens. There you are. There you go. Saunders and Ellington. McCoy, Luck, Robinson, Barrett. AJ Green. Here we go, Perry. Die cut. Donald and Matthews. Lacey. Another camo for the Browns. There's that. And then there is that. If I can ever get this to focus. $82.99 on that. Matthews and Hill. Tannehill, Sankey for the Titans. 85 retro. Boyd and Janis. Edelman, Austin, Roby, and Bailey. Let's go, guys. Let's do it. Garcon. Coleman for the Saints. Dixon and Evans. Alrighty. Aaron Rodgers, Gronkowski, Jurgensen, Pryor. Nelson, Wallace, Lewin, Clowney. Foster. Don't know why that was backwards, but Laundry right there. Heron and okay. Here we go. We're coming down to the final stretch here. Flacco, McKinnon, and Richardson. Earl Thomas, Graham, Seastrunk, and Mettenberger. Brown, Charles, Martin, and Odell Beckham for the Giants. And Gordon. Oh, this is sick. 11 of 25. 11 of 25. Green Bay Packers, Eddie Lacy. Alrighty, guys. It's a nice Green Bay Packer piece for the Eddie Lacy fan. That's nice. Mack and Menzel. Clay Matthews, Quinn, Freeman, and West. Last pack of this break, guys. Last pack of the break here. Heartland, we got something numbered here for the Ravens, it looks like. .067 of 102. Mosley, Johnson, and Desire. Okay, guys, so let me go ahead and do a hit recap real quick on this. We got Mosley, number to 25, 1,000-yard Eddie Lacy. Camo, Josh Gordon. Lorenzo T. Auto. DeMarcus Thomas. Cody Latimer. Best two hits of the night for this break is going to be Matt Forte, 1 of 1 press plate. And you're going to have a Logan Thomas, numbered to 75, pink auto. Matthew Stafford, Fantasy Focus, number to 50. Cecil Short, Sankey autograph. Jordan Hill camo. Josh Huff camo. Zach Mettenberger auto. Frank Gore. Mike Wallace, that's also numbered to 25. 18 of 25. And you've got Matt Ryan, 4,000-yard club. All right, guys, that wraps up box break number 2, 2014 Topps Chrome Mini Football. We appreciate you getting into our breaks. Go to shop.eastsidesportscards.com. Thanks, guys.